Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a great website that can lead you to muscle yourself, to train yourself. Example, you go to the gym and you don't know how to do. You just stay at home and you want to take exercise and you want to train your shoulder, your twist, your chest, but you don't know what to do. So come along and watch my video. It will lead you to do all of that thing that you want. So go to the browser on your telephone or your computer and type the here musclewiki.com. Just type it and open. When you open, it will show you like this. Yeah, and you can select your sex, male or female, and I select stretches here. And you want I want exercise my chest. You just click on chest. Yeah, so here's the video what to do and other instruction with sentence for you. You can read all of this or watch the video. We have related videos here and words also here. Yeah, a lot how to do with your chest. Also you can still muscle the chest, but you want to do with body weight. Just click on body weight. We have a lot here. Oh, my internet. Okay, my body, chest. Yeah, you wanna measure your chest, still chest again, but with body weight here. We have videos and other. Also, you can click barbell, dumbbell with your chest. A dumbbell, yeah, with your chest. So it's a great website. So also you wanna calculate your calories here. Yeah. Just click on gallery. So you need here, I want prefer metric. So what is your age? You can type your age here. And your weight is, what is your weight? For me 65. And what is your height? My height is 160. Little no exercise. Once 3 weeks. It's up to you. And here you wanna lose how many? Example for me, lost 0.25 kilo per week and calculate. So you should have to consume like this 1897 calories. Yeah, it's a great website. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope it is very important for you. So please subscribe my channel for more later videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.